Filtering rows after a groupby and apply a function. I'm using Python and pandas to work on some data. My data looks like the following. What I would like to do. Groupby by A. Select the value B by groups where C equals true. Calculate a mean value on this selection. Create a new column D to store theses values. So the result would be I have tried some mixes of groupby, filter and transform, but I cannot succeed to make it work. I imagine the solution close to the followings. Or but none of these syntax work. Thanks for helping me and people in general.
Use series.map with means of filtered rows, equals true should be omitted.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.